Namaskar. Myself Dr. Supreet welcomes you all in the daily weather briefing of India Meteorological Department. Today is 4th April and we'll start with the today's highlights. Under the influence of the active western disturbance, wet spell along with hailstorm activity over the northwest India very likely to continue today also. Another successive western disturbance very likely to affect northwest India during the week with the peak activity on 7th and 8th April. This isolated heavy rainfall also likely over Kashmir Valley today. Rainfall activity with thunderstorm lightning very likely over central, east and peninsular India till 8th April with isolated hailstorm over Madhya Maharashtra, Marathwada, Vidarbha, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh on 4th, over West Bengal and Sikkim, Bihar on 7th and 8th, over Jharkhand on 5th to 7th April, and then day temperatures are also likely to remain below normal to near normal over most part of the country during next 7 days. Now we'll see the observed weather during past 24 hours. Heavy rainfall, that is rainfall between 7 to 11 centimeter, reported from isolated places over interior Karnataka. Then hailstorm activity reported from Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, West Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat region. Then thunderstorm accompanied with squally or gusty wind speeds with speeds reaching 50 to 80 km reported from Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, East Rajasthan, Gujarat, Saurashtra and Kutch, Tamil Nadu, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and Meghalaya, Gangetic West Bengal, Odisha, Jharkhand, Bihar, Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh and Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Maharashtra, Marathwada, Uttarakhand and Vidarbha. Now we'll see the synoptic system prevailing over our region. The western disturbance as cyclonic circulation over central Pakistan and neighborhood persists and now lies between lower and upper tropospheric levels, and upper air cyclonic circulation lies over Punjab and neighborhood in the lower tropospheric level, and upper air cyclonic circulation lies over Chhattisgarh and neighborhood in lower tropospheric level, and upper air cyclonic circulation over south coastal Andhra Pradesh and neighborhood in the lower tropospheric level. A fresh western influence is likely to affect northwest India from 7th April onwards. Now we'll see the forecast of maximum temperatures or daytime temperatures. No significant change in maximum temperatures likely over northwest India till 4th April. Then gradual rise by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade on 5th and 6th April, and then fall by 3 to 5 degrees centigrade during 4th, 7th to 10th April. However, it will remain normal to below normal till 9th April. No significant change in maximum temperatures likely over East India till 4th April, and gradual fall by 3 to 4 degrees centigrade during 5th to 8th, and no significant change till 10th April. Over West India, no significant change in maximum temperatures or daytime temperatures till 7th, and gradual rise in maximum temperatures by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade during 8th to 10th April. Over the rest part of the country, no significant change in maximum temperature likely during next 7 days. Now we'll see the subdivision weather warning for day 1. Orange warning is issued for Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, East Rajasthan, Madhya Maharashtra, Marathwada, Vidarbha, and also over East Uttar Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. All these regions, hailstorm activity is forecasted along with thunderstorm, lightning and gusty to squally wind speeds reaching up to 60 to 70 km per hour. Apart from that, orange warning is issued for Jammu Kashmir, isolated heavy rainfall at 1 or 2 places along with thunderstorm and lightning activity, and also over southern peninsular region, heavy rainfall at isolated places is also forecasted for Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Yellow warning for all this region. Apart from that, because of thunderstorm, lightning and gusty wind speeds activity, yellow warning is issued for West Rajasthan, Gujarat state, West Madhya Pradesh and also over Karnataka and Telangana, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal states, and also over Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura. All these places, yellow warning for thunderstorm related activity. Today there is a hot and humid warning also given for Odisha. For day 2, the orange warning is issued only for Jharkhand, where thunderstorm and along with hailstorm and gusty to squally wind speeds are expected. So orange warning for Jharkhand, and then for isolated heavy rainfall warning is given for Tamil Nadu and also for Kerala and over northeastern states, Assam, Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh. All these places, yellow warning. For thunderstorm related activity, thunderstorm, lightning and gusty winds, for that yellow warning is issued for Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, East Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh and also over Vidarbha, Marathwada, Madhya Maharashtra, Marathwada and Karnataka and Telangana and Andhra Pradesh state, and also over Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Chhattisgarh and West Bengal state, and all over the northeastern states. Yellow warning issued for all this region. For day 3, the orange warning is continues for Jharkhand for hailstorm and thunderstorm activity, and also orange warning is given for West Rajasthan, where thunderstorm, hailstorm activity is forecasted. And because of heavy rainfall at isolated places, yellow warning continues over Tamil Nadu and Kerala. One or two places isolated heavy rainfall is forecasted for day 3, and rest of the region such as Himachal Pradesh, East Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, interior Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh state, Telangana, Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal state, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, all these places yellow warning for thunderstorm, lightning activity is given for day 3. For day 4, as mentioned earlier, because there is a western disturbance, fresh western disturbance approaching, orange warning is issued for most of the northwestern states such as Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, and Rajasthan. One or two places hailstorm, thunderstorm, lightning, and gusty to squally wind speed are expected. And orange warning is also given for Bihar and West Bengal state, where hailstorm activity is expected, along with thunderstorm and gusty to squally wind speeds. And for Uttarakhand and Western Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat state, Vidarbha, interior Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh state, Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, and Jharkhand, Assam, Meghalaya, and Arunachal Pradesh, all these places also thunderstorm activity is expected, thunderstorm, lightning with gusty to squally wind speeds. Over Jharkhand, there is a slight chance of hailstorm also. So all these places yellow warning is given. Over Arunachal Pradesh, the heavy rainfall at one or two places or isolated places, warning continues, but all these places yellow warning is given. For day 5, hailstorm warning is given only for Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, also for Bihar and Sub-Himalayan West Bengal and West Bengal. So all these places, squally wind, heavy gusty to squally wind speed, along with thunderstorm and lightning, and also hailstorm activity is expected. And for Jammu Kashmir, although hailstorm activity is forecasted, yellow warning is given for Jammu Kashmir for thunderstorm activity and hailstorm activity. So rest of the places such as Uttarakhand and also over Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, East Rajasthan, and most of the southern peninsular states, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Jharkhand, all these places yellow warning is given for thunderstorm activity, thunderstorm related activity. And over northeastern states, Assam and Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh, isolated heavy rainfall is also given, so yellow warning for that, along with thunderstorm activity. For day 6, thunderstorm activity over Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Bihar, and Gangetic West Bengal, and also Sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim, it is given yellow warning for that. Over Sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim and Assam and Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh, heavy rainfall at one or two places, warning is given, yellow warning is given for that also. For day 7, heavy rainfall warning over Arunachal Pradesh continues, yellow warning for that, and also thunderstorm activity continues over Jammu and Kashmir, yellow warning is given for that. That's all for today. For more details and updates, please log on to our website and also download our Mosam app. Thank you for watching. Namaskar. Jai Hind.